Now, watch as this guy leaps from his table at the Eggs Up Grill in Ballantyne, South Carolina. But he's not going towards the commotion. He's going outside. Then he runs back in. He's got something in his hands. But what is it? He tells Mom to put little Gabriel on the table. Major Hillard had a device in his car called a LifeVac, which he suctioned to little Gabriel's mouth. You can hear Mom's panicked plea. Strangers consoled the distraught mother. After several plunges of the device, a miracle.
As soon as I did that last pull, his eyes popped open, and he started gasping for air.
Mom and Dad embrace in relief. So, what is LifeVac? It's a portable airway clearing device. Arthur Lee, the founder and CEO of LifeVac, put a piece of pancake in a dummy's mouth to show how it works.
As simple as place, push, pull.
Just like it did with little Gabriel.